until 3:15 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Broadlands and was moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashburn, Leesburg, Lansdowne, Countryside, Poolesville. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.